Hello crafters, welcome to the July edition of the Colour Card Combo Challenge. This month's colours are yellow, orange and black, and they were chosen by myself. A link to all the participants who regularly join me are in the comments below, so head over and join them. So when I thought of the colours yellow, orange and black, I initially thought of a safari, tropical, African kind of backdrop, so with a kind of sunset. So that's kind of the avenue I'm going to go down. I'm going to be using some brown ink. Now you can use Distress Oxides, you could use Distress Inks, you could use a solid brown, it doesn't really matter, but I just want to give my ground a foundation, and I want to make sure that this is quite heavy and dark. Okay, then I'm going to be using Squeeze Lemonade, which is a distress ink, and I'm going to create my my sunset or sunrise background. Oh, that reminds me, I also need to put in my sun. I'm going to put my sun in to one side. Now that's just some double-sided masking paper that I've got and have in my stash, but you can pick that up in most craft stores. Going to put this, use this white paper to stop me getting ink on my fingers, which I tend to do all the time. Okay, now I'm going to move over to the Wild Honey, which is a lovely deep vibrant orange. One of my favourite distress inks actually is the Wild Honey. And I'm also going to use that to go around the edges. So the card I'm doing is a 5x5 card. This insert that I've got here is 4.5 by 4.5. Let's take away the sun. Okay. Now I've got this stamp set here. Now this stamp set was gifted to me, so I don't know where it's from or who makes it. And I'm going to be using some of the images, and I'm going to be using this grass. And I'm going to ink the grass using the VersaFine Black Onyx ink. Making sure it's on my stamp block, and we're going to use that on the base here, right at the bottom. Now I'm stamping multiple times to make it thicker. And I've got some black there, never mind, not the end of the world. Okay, using this foam stamp, I don't know where it's from or who makes it, but I've had it in my stash for ages. We're going to go around the edges, just to give the idea that they're that we're looking through, you know, looking through some trees as we gaze upon the African safari. Okay, now I've got some multiples of the animals from that set. I also have a few of the trees. Oh gosh, look at this. Crafters, I am making a complete mess out of this particular card and getting ink everywhere. I'm going to try and use my mono eraser to get rid of it. It's not perfect, but it's not too bad. Okay, let's use one of the trees. Try and cover that up. And the giraffes. This giraffe I'm about to stamp is my favourite because it looks like he's looking between his legs. So cute. This is another one of the smaller trees that comes with the set. Okay, and lastly but not least, you. Okay. Okay, let's cut a 5x5 card insert. Row card base. Let's glue this down. One thing I wish this stamp set had was some birds. Oh, it does have birds, good. It does have birds, crafters. Because I'd like to put some birds just in front of the sun. There we go. Okay, crafters, so that's my card for this month. So it's a 5x5 card, and the colours for July are yellow, orange and black. Now I'm not going to put sentiment or anything inside, I'm just going to leave it like that so I can add anything I want to later. Thank you very much for joining me today. Head over and check out the other participants, and you'll see me again very soon. Take care now. Bye bye.